Today at Beth's Keto Kitchen, we're making an easy chicken fajita casserole, all keto friendly, of course. So join me and let's get cooking. We'll start with diced bell peppers and onions and saute those in a skillet with avocado oil. I will be sure and list the complete recipe in the description box below for you. Now we'll add some seasonings, starting with Himalayan pink sea salt, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Once those are translucent, add a little squirt of garlic paste. Stir that around until fragrant, and then add in a splash of chicken broth and give that a stir. Now we'll remove the veggies from the pan. Next, we'll start with our chicken. So add about a half a cup of chicken broth to the hot skillet and 2 pounds of diced chicken. I am using chicken breast tenders. We'll season the chicken with pink sea salt and about a 1/4 cup of taco seasoning. And I will include the recipe for my homemade taco seasoning, but you could use a packet if you prefer. When the chicken is almost cooked through, we'll add 1 block of softened cream cheese. Add about a half a cup of mayonnaise. Stir that around. A few dashes of hot sauce if you like. And stir until combined and melted. When the cheese is combined, we'll add the veggies back in and stir to mix everything together. Then add in about a half a cup of chicken broth. Stir that up. Now transfer to your casserole dish that I have sprayed with avocado oil. I have about 1½ cups of shredded cheese that is a mixture of mozzarella and cheddar. We'll add 1 cup to the casserole and stir in. Now leave the last ½ cup of cheese for later when we will add on top. So we have a 350-degree oven preheating, and we will put this in the oven for 20 minutes, uncovered. Meanwhile, let's make some tortilla strips for on top of the casserole. So I'm using 2 low-carb tortillas. I will slice those in half and then slice into strips. Your pizza cutter works great for this. Meanwhile, I have oil heating in the skillet. So add those strips to your hot oil. And I'm just laying out some paper towels to drain when they're done. Give them a stir, and when they're light golden brown, remove to the paper towel and sprinkle with pink sea salt. After 20 minutes, remove your casserole from the oven. We'll top that with the remaining half cup of shredded cheese. Sprinkle your fried tortilla strips on top. Then we'll put this back in the oven uncovered for 5 minutes. Oh my goodness, it is all done. Look at that bubbly deliciousness. We'll let that set for about 10 minutes before serving. Now serve up and enjoy. You could certainly pair this with a side of cauliflower rice. You could top with a little more hot sauce and some sour cream and chives. But I am going to eat this just as is. Look at that. All of those flavors are just melted together in that cheesy deliciousness. This is a total winner. I hope you guys try this, and if you enjoy it, please leave me a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I hope that you guys subscribe, like, leave me a comment, of course, and hit that notification bell so you're notified each time I upload a new recipe. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.